We got a shock, a very big shock today over the issue of our persons coming in here. The interstate movement, very massive here. We came in here and what we saw was really very shocking. If you can look around here, we have very many persons here from different states in the country. We have Kano, Kaduna, Lagos, Zamfara, and Katsina State. Those who are from the states have their details here. If I can just give you their details here so that you see it here. Details are indeed very, very worrisome here. You see the numbers we got here are those who are from Lagos State have been on the road for the past 4 days here. There are 4 persons here. 9 persons actually are coming from Zamfara and we are caught here. Kaduna State, 6 persons came in from Kaduna, 3 persons are coming from Kano, and 55 persons are coming from Katsina State. You see, let's just go this way so that we can see what we're talking about. It will be, if we can come very quickly, so that those who don't understand, we exactly understand what we're doing here very quickly. I think the sea of bikes here, tell the story. You could see the Okadas here in their numbers. And these are all very, very shocking from highly endemic states here. Endemic states is really very shocking that all of these persons have been able to move into the federal capital territory here. We are looking at all of this. We are certain that all of them will be sent back to their respective states. We send all of them back to their states. While on our part, all these Okada that they are bringing into Abuja will not be allowed to come in. We will seize all the Okadas and send them back to their state. Everyone needs to be very, very vigilant here if we must keep Abuja very, very safe.